Looking for the best motherboards in 2026? In this video, we'll explore top options for gaming, productivity, and high-performance PC builds, focusing on features, connectivity, expansion, and overall value. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. MSI Mag X870. The MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi gaming motherboard is a high-performance ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors using the AM5 socket. It supports DDR5 memory and features PCIe 5.0 connectivity along with M.2 Gen 5 support for fast next-generation storage. For connectivity, it offers USB 40 gigabits per second, HDMI, DisplayPort, 5 gigabits per second LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, providing plenty of options for modern gaming and high-speed networking. With its robust feature set and support for the latest AMD platforms, this motherboard is a strong foundation for building a powerful gaming or high-performance PC. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix X870E. The ASUS ROG Strix X870E gaming Wi-Fi is a premium ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen processors using the AM5 socket, making it a strong foundation for high-performance gaming and enthusiast PC builds. It features a robust 18+2+2 power stage design, along with dynamic OC switcher, Core Flex, and AI overclocking technologies for optimized processor performance. The board supports DDR5 memory with AEMP, PCIe 5.0, and up to 5 M.2 slots for high-speed storage. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, USB 4, and advanced networking, while features such as Q-Release Slim make installing and removing compatible graphics cards more convenient. Overall, it combines powerful hardware support, extensive connectivity, and advanced tuning features for demanding gaming and enthusiast systems. Number 3. ASUS ROG Strix Z790A. The ASUS ROG Strix Z790, a gaming Wi-Fi D4, is an ATX gaming motherboard built around the Intel Z790 chipset and LGA 1700 socket, supporting compatible Intel processors and DDR for memory. It is designed for gaming and high-performance PC builds, offering a solid platform for multitasking, demanding applications, and modern gaming hardware. The motherboard also provides multiple expansion and connectivity options for graphics cards, storage, peripherals, and networking, while its ROG Strix design adds a distinctive look to gaming-focused builds. With its combination of Intel Z790 features, DDR4 compatibility, and ATX form factor, it is a practical choice for users building or upgrading an Intel-based gaming PC. Number 4. MSI Miles/Gallon X570 Gaming Plus Motherboard. The MSI Miles/Gallon X570 Gaming Plus motherboard is an ATX motherboard designed for AMD processors using the AM4 socket, making it a solid foundation for gaming and performance-focused PC builds. It supports DDR4 memory and PCIe 4.0, providing high-speed connectivity for compatible graphics cards and other expansion devices. For storage, it includes M.2 and SATA 6 gigabits per second connections, while USB 3.2 Gen 2 offers fast connectivity for modern peripherals and external devices. The motherboard also features HDMI output and a range of expansion options, making it a practical choice for users building an AMD-based gaming or productivity PC. Number 5. ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming. The ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is an ATX gaming motherboard designed for AMD AM4 processors, including compatible 3rd Gen Ryzen CPUs. It supports PCIe 4.0 and DDR for memory, providing a solid foundation for gaming and high-performance PC builds. For connectivity, it features Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB options for modern peripherals. The motherboard also includes BIOS flashback for convenient firmware updates, while its addressable Gen 2 RGB headers and Aura Sync allow users to customize compatible lighting components. With its combination of high-speed networking, PCIe 4.0 support, and gaming-focused features, it is a capable choice for an AM4-based gaming PC. So, those are some of the best motherboards to consider in 2026. Check the product links in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PC hardware and tech reviews.